Well, good morning from Kip and Nook in North Yorkshire. We arrived last night and we're staying on the Nook pitch. At £100 a night, it's by far and away the most expensive pitch we've stayed on. Let's find out if it's worth the money. The novelty is that the pitch has its own hot tub and it also has a viewing platform to sit and enjoy the sunsets, not that we'll be using it much in January in the rain.
I wouldn't be surprised if you saw a deer.
The wood-fired hot tubs are lit before you arrive, but don't get too premature in your diving in. Right then. It's already.
Snowing. I would say it's not warm enough. You actually get in?
It is too cold.
Too cold.
We are wusses, but it is too cold. Maybe later.
Aborting our dip, we headed to the workshop, the central communal space on the site, which has a variety of amazing looking cabins as well as the touring pitches. The workshop is a cool place to hang out with food on offer and a bar.
Take two.
Oh, yeah, that is nice.
Is it
warm.
good?
Yeah. Yeah, that is.
Am I going to manage?
Yeah, easy.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Thank God for that.
In fact, I might need to lose the hat.
Take two. Success. Oh, it's toasty.
Awesome.
It's a bit of a bracing one, but gorgeous and sunny at the moment. I think the plan is to just hang around here all day. We'll go for a dog walk in a bit. And then I think we're going to just pop over to the workshop, sit there, lounge, have a coffee, probably have some lunch, and then we've got a sauna booked this afternoon, so we'll go and see what that's like. A bit breezy, but yeah, looks like a nice start to the day. Turns out I wasn't the only one up on the platform. Morning, mate. So we've come out for a little walk while it's sunny and dry because it's supposed to rain a little bit later. Kerry and Archie have turned back because Archie's leg is really sore, I think because it's been quite damp over the last few days and it has been bitterly cold. So they've turned back. I'm battling on with a dog that really does not want to be battling on. But we're just going to go a little bit further, Sandy. Yeah, just explore what's up here and then we will turn round because our plan for the rest of the day is to just chill out and keep warm, if that isn't a paradox. But yeah, so we'll just keep going and explore this while it's sunny and fresh. And it is fresh, but it's January and we're up north, so it would be, wouldn't it? But yeah, so far so good, apart from Archie's leg being sore. Hopefully it will be alright enough for him to come with us to the workshop. It's fair to say that Archie did settle right in at the workshop, so we spent a lazy morning there, relaxing and enjoying a coffee. Then the humans enjoyed some sport before more of the delicious food. You don't have to buy any food or drink to use the workshop. It's there for you to use as you please. But we'd be surprised if you don't find yourself tempted by the menu. Next came chill out time, in the form of the breathing room for the humans. Located upstairs in the workshop, you have a whole area to yourself, with sauna, cold baths, changing space, toilet and shower, and a relaxation room. This was an extra cost, £45 for the pair of us, which didn't feel unreasonable for 90 minutes. It was surprising how quickly the time went and how relaxing it was, and I say that as someone to whom relaxing does not come very easily. The viewers will enjoy that. What is she doing? You ready for the bath, Andy?
Yeah,
Yeah?
absolutely. Bottomless brunch.
Yeah. Ooh. Good morning. Well, it's quite murky, a bit drizzly, as you can probably tell. Not quite as nice and sunny as yesterday morning, but had another good night. It's lovely and quiet in the campsite. It is quite quiet anyway at the moment. There's only 3 pitches occupied, but yeah, lovely, quiet, relaxed evening. So just giving the dogs a bit of a stroll this morning, and then much of the same. I think again today we're going to head over to the workshop and just relax over there. I think we've got a breakfast booked. They do breakfasts over there. You do have to pre-book them, so yeah, we'll go and check that out. But yeah, another lazy day, I think. Breakfast was amazing. Kerry had a full English and I was tempted by the French toast. What we didn't realise was that we also got to help ourselves to the continental spread, which itself was delicious. A man doing caveman type activities in the cold.
Yeah. See what happened, eh?
Good work. I had to capture this as one of my only times of actually hitting the bull. While you're watching our amazing pool prowess, let's answer the 2 burning questions. Was it worth £100 a night, And did I get cabin fever not leaving the site for 3 days? As to price, it is expensive, but worth it for the novelty. And also, for £40 you could get a smaller pitch without the hot tub or the viewing platform, but with access to all the other facilities and the food and drink. At that price, it's hard to beat, considering how expensive basic campsites can be these days. And the cabin fever? No. I might have struggled if we'd stayed longer. 3 nights was perfect though. There was definitely enough to entertain me without needing to leave the site.
Why are you onto the...
Are you weightlifting? Is that the special gym? Time to enjoy a sunset from inside before another pizza. It wasn't our plan to have pizzas twice, but they were so amazing the first night. Kerry said his was one of the best he's ever had, and he has had a few. And there were some others on the menu that also caught our eye. So we thought, what the hell, we're on holiday. And we weren't disappointed. One more relaxed night and a walk as the sun rose, and it was time to head home. Well, I think that is us for this trip. We've just stopped at Ferry Bridge Services on the way south after we had a little dog walk this morning at Kip and Nook, and then breakfast there as well. And yeah, heading home. If you've liked this video, please do give it a like, consider subscribing and share, and we will see you in the next one. Oh, hello.
Oh, that's right. If we get stuck.
Well, only if he's got stuff in him.
He was heading south. Oh, maybe he's
Well, he
not,
might
no.
not be. I was going to say, like, you might
true.
say he's heading south, so
He looks
be
heavy
alright.
laden. Caramel wafers to the brim.
I don't know how many of those I could eat.